Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Gamer Master Gaming Desktop PC Intel, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. Are you tired of laggy gaming sessions, frustration with slow load times, and mediocre performance? Well, today we're going to tackle one of the most critical pieces of hardware that can make or break your gaming experience, the gaming desktop PC. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. If you're a serious gamer, creator, or power user who demands uncompromising speed and stability, then this review is for you. We'll dive into what makes this specific model stand out from the rest and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. So, let's take a closer look at the Gamer Master Gaming Desktop PC Intel. This powerhouse of a machine is engineered to dominate modern games, heavy workloads, and multitasking environments with ease. With its carefully selected components and professional-grade system tuning, this desktop is designed to deliver next-level performance that'll leave you breathless. One of the most impressive features of this gaming desktop is its ultra-fast storage solution, 1TB ultra-fast SSD. This means that boot times are lightning fast, games load in seconds, and your overall computing experience is transformed. You'll feel like you're playing the game on a level above when everything on screen feels buttery smooth, whether you're in a firefight or scrubbing through a timeline. Another standout feature is its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050, which delivers stunning visuals, smooth frame rates, and powerful performance for demanding games. Imagine being able to play the latest titles at 1440p Quad HD resolutions with smooth 60+ FPS gameplay. It's a whole new world of gaming bliss. Whether you're exploring the vast open worlds of Fortnite or taking on the toughest challenges in Escape from Tarkov, this graphics card has got your back. Of course, no gaming desktop is complete without reliable connectivity options. The Gamer Master Gaming Desktop PC has got you covered with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, Gigabit LAN, and a full range of USB ports to keep all your devices connected and happy. You'll be able to stream your gameplay, chat with friends, and manage your files all at the same time without any hassle. But what really sets this gaming desktop apart is its efficiency and reliability. The efficient cooling system provides strong airflow and reliable thermal performance under sustained workloads, ensuring that your machine runs smoothly even during the most intense gaming sessions. And when you need help, don't worry, there's 1-year parts and labor warranty and free technical support to back it up. Now, let's talk about real-world performance. We spent some time putting this gaming desktop through its paces, playing everything from Fortnite to World of Warcraft. The verdict? It's a beast. Every game ran silky smooth, with no lag or frame drops to speak of. And when it came to multitasking, this machine handled heavy workloads with ease. Of course, like any product, the Gamer Master Gaming Desktop PC isn't perfect. Some users have reported that the sound system could be improved, and a few folks have mentioned that the keyboard and mouse that come bundled might not be the most comfortable to use for extended periods. However, these are minor complaints in an otherwise exceptional machine. So, is this gaming desktop worth your money? If you're a serious gamer or power user who demands top-notch performance without breaking the bank, then yes, this is an absolute no-brainer. With its blistering speed, stunning visuals, and reliable connectivity options, this machine will take your gaming experience to new heights. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews. And if you're ready to upgrade your gaming setup, be sure to check out the link to grab the Gamer Master Gaming Desktop PC Intel below in the description. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.